Now, how I made 710 euros in a day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. As you can see over here, right, if I click 12 sales, okay, and 398 clicks, which is really great, right? If you see over here, all right, so almost 800 US dollars in a day. Now let me show you exactly how we are doing it, okay? So you can see, if I go over here, you can see why not getting ClickBank sales or affiliate marketing sales in 2026. The most important thing is, right, that over here, as you can see, right, most of the times you are getting only curiosity clickers, I mean people who are not interested to buy. They have curiosity, and the reason why is because your image is ugly or weird or strange, or your text is weird, and it gets attention, right? It gets attention, but as you can see over here, attention without intent is zero sales. Only curiosity clickers, Windows shoppers, we call them, right? High clicks, zero sales. And it's not your fault because you don't have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. On the other hand, with buyers clicks, you can see you get attention with intention, meaning they buy. Buyers clicks. You get fewer clicks with consistent, sustainable sales on ClickBank, right? Buyers intent, meaning ClickBank sales. If you're promoting weight loss ClickBank products or digital products on ClickBank, right? So as you can see over here, with Google pay-per-click ads, it's all about solution-seeking audience. So if you have bought courses on ClickBank before on affiliate marketing, you have failed, you made zero money. The reason why, and it's not your fault, is because it's outdated. Okay, as you can see, first of all, people have to be in solution-seeking state and problem state to get into a solution to buy the product on ClickBank, right? You can see people type in how to get rid of my back pain, acne, how to build something with woodworking, solar panel. I don't know, so many problems out there that they need to solve. Now, why Google pay-per-click ads? Because it's already actively searching for a solution on Google. People go on Google to buy the products or to get educated. All right. So if you do this correctly, as you can see on the landing page, pre-sale pages, there are 5 stages of awareness. If you don't have those, okay, I'm not sharing all of them here, but if you don't have those, you will get zero sales. Okay, that's why some people get thousands of dollars per week or per day on ClickBank and you get zero. Okay, very important thing. And it's not your fault. You just have to follow the right strategy and have someone who can actually, look, let me show you, help you one-on-one, step by step over the Zoom call. Set up campaign one-on-one, get it up and running. You can see some of my clients, students over here. She's from Spain. The English, it's her second language. Okay, and she has been able to get results. Over here, you can see some of my students. Over here, again, to $9,000 per month in net profits. All right, we are setting up over the Zoom call those Google pay-per-click ads together, one-on-one. When was the last time you had the guru on ClickBank help you personally, one-on-one? Right? You can see how we do it. Google pay-per-click ad. You can see something like this. They click on the ad. Okay. Then go to quiz funnel with the functional questions to put them into the emotional states and to ClickBank VSL. Okay. And that's how you get the sale. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, one-on-one in 2026, here you can connect with me one-on-one. You see this is my Instagram. Over here is my Instagram. You have my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal phone number, but only if you're an action taker, if you're serious and you actually want to get results, you can send me DM after this.